Folks, Mish here from Steel Hyundai. Today we're going to be featuring the 2024 Santa Fe XRT. This beautiful model here has the black off-road wheels. It's got the black badges, black mirror caps. This beautiful model comes equipped with a 2.5-liter turbo, 8-speed dual-clutch transmission with a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. Now, some of the basic features come equipped with this vehicle: proximate key detection, keyless entry, heated seats, heated steering wheel, wireless phone charger, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, lane keep assist, lane departure, front collision avoidance. And now check out the roof, because there is a sunroof. Now this particular model gives you the bench seat for the second row. Now you have the ultimate calligraphy, offers a bench seating. There you have it, folks. 902-877-9928 if you would like to book your appointment for a test drive.